Benigno Aquino III reiterated the Philippines will continue to pursue diplomacy to resolve its maritime disputes with other claimant countries, to include China and the West Philippine Sea. Stressed he will assert Philippine sovereignty and in accordance with the rule of law. The President's position was echoed by U.S. President Barack Obama in the just concluded 21st ASEAN Summit in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. The President arrived late last night at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport. This report.
President Benigno Aquino returned to the country around 11 p.m. last night after attending the 21st ASEAN Summit in Cambodia. The President was warmly welcomed by cabinet members. President Aquino emphasized that his visit to Cambodia centered in strengthening the maritime security of the Philippines. The territorial dispute between the Philippines and China on the West Philippine Sea was also discussed. The President said that he was able to successfully emphasize in the ASEAN Summit his intention to have a Code of Conduct or COC framework between the Philippines and China to resolve in a peaceful manner the claim over the West Philippine Sea.
Malaking tagumpay po ang maituturing ito, lalo pat nasa kabilang panig ng di pagkakaunawaan ang pinakamalaking pwersang at militar sa rehiyon. Isang mistulang David and Goliath po talaga ang harapan, ngunit nanindigan tayo.
The official launch of the Code of Conduct or COC in territorial sovereignty is still yet to be reviewed by ASEAN countries. However, the President believes that this goal of a peaceful settlement in territorial claims is now at hand.
Napasang-ayon pa natin ang hindi bababa sa 5 bansa sa ating mga paninindigan. Dati, dadalawa lamang ang tumatalakay sa kahalagahan ng COC. Ngayon, dumami na ang mga tinig na nagsasabing kailangan ng simulan ang formal na usapan ukol sa Code of Conduct upang maiwasan ang tensyon sa kinabukasan.
The President assures the Filipino people that as long as he is in power and as long as the people supports him, he will continue to fight for Philippine sovereignty.
Maasa po kayo, hanggat ako ang may mandatong isatinig ang kolektibong adikain ng aking mga boss at hanggat ko kayo, patuloy nating ididiin ang ating mga prinsipyo.
For People's Television, this is Bernard Tan reporting.